अपना टेबल में हर संडे 7:30 9:30 to 11 हर संडे अपने बच्चों को रामायण महाभारत
Now over to Joseph Ramanna.
This is the time we need Modi again. The target of Modi ji is 2047 we have to be number one country. And right here, our Telangana is the richest state and they made it bankrupt. Whereas UP was the Bimaru state, that was something nobody could turn around in 60 years. And it's a large backward state and now there is what is called as excess budget. So, Migulu budget, that is more than after spending for healthcare, education, salaries, pensions, everything, there is something left over. Whereas here, the richest state Telangana is bankrupt with 7 lakh crores loan. That is the discipline that Modi has and makes his team follow. And that is what the difference between double engine Sarkar, now, the only thing they can do is make, wrong prachar. If Modi comes, he'll take off reservations. If Modi comes, he'll do up this. If Modi comes, motor like meter vartaru. We represent India, we don't just represent, they call us communal. They are the most communal party ever. They are totally anti-secular. They give Muslim reservations, which is against Ambedkar constitution. You can't give reservation. And some states it doesn't even help the Muslim, because if I give to this religion, what happens? The elite of that will grab away all the medical college seats, everything. In some states it's like that. Simple things, and we had it for almost so many years. For Hajj pilgrimage to foreign countries they give, Makkah for the Muslims, for Jerusalem they give for Christians, for Hindus they don't give for even Yadgir Gutta, or that is totally anti-secular. We want to bring in uniform civil code, which is same law for everybody. Every country has it, but in us, they want us to treat Muslims as special. So we are Jatiyavadam, nationalism, Hindutva, which is secular. They are anti-secular. We help the minorities come up. You see now Mudra loans. They abuse the minorities as the vote bank. Coming to these elections, they are stooping down very low. My name is Konda Vishweshwar Reddy. I'm a BJP candidate, and we are winning with a huge majority. I had a long distance to cover. In some Tandur Assembly constituency, last time we got 40,000 votes. I guarantee you, I will get 80,000 to 1 lakh votes, which means these are our weak spots. These are weak spots in the 7 assemblies. So in the rural area, I worked hard, visited all the villages, and I'm not getting a 20% increase. I'm getting not a 200%, but 2,000% increase in Tandur. And that's also the magic of Modi, not just my hard work. And the first time ever, Modi reached every nook and corner of India. In Tandur, the remotest part of my constituency, bordering Karnataka. So this is the time we need Modi to come back. I met a old lady. I'm giving away some vegetable carrying bags, for reusable bags, environment friendly, with Modi's photo there. I asked the old lady while giving, who is this? She says, Ante, is it not the guy who gives free rice? So never in Indian history, call it WhatsApp, call it newspapers, TVs, but Modi has reached every nook and corner of India. There's a Modi way. My opponent is involved in various scams, including blasting one of the temples here, converted real estate, poultry scams, poultry feed scams. And most importantly, the cheapest trick he has done is he fielded 9 Konda Vishweshwar Reddys so that my votes get split. So be careful. So choose the Kamal Ka Vishweshwar Reddy. Right? That's as simple as that. I'm number 2. His fake Vishweshwar Reddy is number. We applied for name change and then this thing and they got it. So these are the cheap tricks of Congress party. Which also shows the desperation. And he is number 4. So very close. So in this one, the uneducated will not make a mistake because they see Kamalam Pu Gurtu. They only see the symbol. But you are risky because you'll see the name Konda Vishweshwar Reddy and may make a mistake. So in this, please don't make that mistake. So vote for the right Konda Vishweshwar Reddy. That is number 2. And I'm going to come back second time as a MP and I'll win with 2 lakh votes. Only remember number 2. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you. Number 2.
Thank you, sir.